All right, chat. Welcome back to another live stream here today on car buildings today on the live stream here today. As you know that as usual, let's go to this one. Let me wear my headset, everything as usual for the live stream, and the webcam as well. Yes, the webcam is turning on as well. I'm wearing my headset as you know that. All right. So now we are currently watching the building vehicles nowadays. So we are currently watching right now. So I leave it my chat at the bottom. No, I just leave it at side of my webcam here as usual. Let me control shift control the web. Yeah, that should be good now as usual for the live stream as usual. So now we are currently watching the Bugatti Chiron, and as you know that we are currently watch right now Bugatti Chiron on the live stream. That
I'm just stressed out. I'm trying.
all right. So now let's go watch this, and yeah, let's go. Right, let's see that. Right, so we are currently watching that as usual for the live stream. As you know that we are currently watching Bugatti Chiron, how to build the Bugatti Chiron, everything as you know. But let me know what should we do now? Everybody can ready for the live stream.
It's the fastest, most extreme, and most exclusive production super sports car in the world. The French-made vehicle shoots along the road at a top speed of 420 kilometers an hour. This hypercar scratches at the boundaries of physics, a motorized superlative.
It is this ambivalence between beauty and beast.
To awaken the beast in this ultra-powerful engineering work of art, the developers have made the best even better.
You start working where others have stopped.
The mission, a hyper sports car with 1,500 horsepower and a top speed of 420 kilometers an hour.
The whole world said you'll never manage to cram so much power in a car.
The whole world was wrong, but the enormous power concealed in this rocket poses new challenges.
You have to be sure that you've still got enough weight on the front that it won't take off.
To ensure a healthy body mass index, the Alsace engineers have fitted the all-wheel drive vehicle with lots of carbon, titanium, and magnesium.
Lots of things you would normally only find in Formula One cars.
And the elegant top athlete with the 16-cylinder engine is anything but normal. The design engineers all agree about that.
Can you compare the Chiron with another vehicle? No.
God created heaven and earth, and the French created the Bugatti Chiron. The spearhead of vehicle construction is located in Molsheim, France. The Bugatti Hyper Sports Car Manufactory. These record-holding dream cars have been built on the site of the former family estate for the past 110 years. Built in 2004 in the form of a company logo, the Alsatians lovingly refer to the new production building as the Dream Factory. Inside, 20 employees assemble up to 16 vehicles at the same time at 12 stations. With these production figures, Bugatti is part of the haute couture among vehicle manufacturers. The Bugatti Chiron is the flagship of the current collection.
It's a lot of manual work. It's like in a Formula One racing stable. Everything's handmade at various stations. Some 300 people work at Bugatti: engineers, sales representatives, and purchasers. People who share a passion to develop, build, and sell super sports cars.
It takes 2 months until the French have assembled around 2,600 individual parts to form a new motorsport work of art. The Chiron's hood conceals pure performance. The world's most powerful production engine has 16 cylinders and a displacement of 8 liters. This enables the Bugatti to reach its record-breaking speed of 420 kilometers an hour. 4 offset operating turbochargers accelerate the 1,500 horsepower projectile from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 2.4 seconds. Instead of a classic production line, there are 4 special stations in Molsheim. They each contain 2 independent lifting platforms. Because the sports coupe is made up of 2 parts, which the employees marry with one another during production. 3 mechanics always assemble what is called the Chiron's rolling chassis strictly by hand, the drivable naked vehicle skeleton. An expensive delivery is waiting at the Bugatti cargo ramp. This body component heralds the construction of a new all-wheel drive behemoth. The monocoque is a hollow driver cockpit and is made entirely of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, or CFRP. 4 steel journals now rise up out of the gleaming shop floor. 2 workers install an assembly platform on them. The production crew then heaves the 150-kilogram carbon framework onto the platform. Each material that the Bugatti design engineers install fulfills a specific purpose.
The materials we use at Bugatti are the finest, but also the lightest available. We use lots of magnesium, titanium, carbon, and aluminum, lots of things that you would normally only find in Formula One cars. There are no miracles in technology. Our Bugatti Chiron is capable of topping 400 kilometers per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 in less than 3 seconds. We're talking about numbers and performance that are somehow unreal. But this simply represents a lot of work at the development and also at the production level to ensure this performance is always achieved.
The technicians install the wiring harness inside the carbon cockpit. The harness consists of 2.5 kilometers of cables and is the nerve system of the Chiron. It connects the vehicle's 20 control units. The mechanics fasten the electrical wires to the monocoque with titanium screws. Like all of the other elements in this racing machine, the wiring harness is also designed as compact and light as possible. The rear frame of the exclusive coupe
What has happened? Hold on, you guys. That's a big problem. But give me a moment here. Let me turn off the webcam. I mean, turn off the monitor for Huawei. I will come back to you guys. Alright, be right back. Let me retry again everything as usual back and I will come back to you guys, alright? Give me a moment, that's a big problem. That's literally a big problem right now and Yeah.